Hi, superstars. Today we'll be talking about quick profit business ideas in Nigeria. Okay, so there are businesses you can do and you make quick profits, sharp, 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 sharp profits. Okay, no long tail, you make profits. And some of these business ideas you can start with as low as 20,000 naira, while some may need an initial startup capital that may be a bit high, but subsequently you can make great money with little or no money. Okay, so let's get started. First on my list is phone repair services. If you're a young guy and you've been thinking of what to do, then my guy, go and learn how to repair phones. Every Nigerian owns a phone, and in one way or the other, about 60% of people they have phone problems daily. Okay, so go and learn how to troubleshoot. There's ways you can troubleshoot, know how to diagnose what the problem of a phone is. Some are very simple software problems that you can fix and then make your money. Okay, I know of a lady who fixes phone and she's doing well. You can also include accessory sales. Like we have some common accessories people buy daily, like charger. There are people that donate to chargers every week, okay, or month. Okay, so know these chargers people buy quickly. You could sell them. There's these small phones, they have batteries. Okay, buy those small batteries, earphones, and accessories. There are some accessories people use very fast. Buy them and sell it while fixing phones. Next is snacks. Okay, people tend to underestimate snack business. Snack business is booming. You know what they call fish pie, meat pie, puff puff, buns, egg roll. All those businesses are quick businesses that you can do to make money daily. And if you're able to strategize, find a busy junction where you keep your things, or in a school, you know, children, they go to school every day. So if you find a nice spot beside a school, you will be cashing out daily. Every morning you'll be cashing out from making snacks. Okay, my superstar. So snack business is one business that produces money daily, and good money as a matter of fact. And also many people who are into snack business and they are very, very comfortable. They go in the morning and by 12 or thereabout they are done for the day. So it's a great way you can make money. Right next on my list is borehole. My superstars, do you know that if you go to a layout where people are building houses newly, okay, one of the most essential things used for building and construction is water. Water, they need water to build blocks, they need water for a lot of building processes. So if you're able to drill a borehole, get a little plot of land, drill a borehole, secure the borehole, and then daily you go and sell water to people who are building in that environment. My superstars, you can make good money daily from sales of water to those who need to build around there. So next is phone charging services. Okay, so this business works in a place where they don't have light. We have so many places where they don't have light, localities where they don't have light. So all you need to do is go find a place like that. Right now we're in the time where people want to stay connected. Okay, they want to charge their phones, their gadgets like rechargeable lamps, batteries, and all that. So it affords you an opportunity to make money. Initially, you may need something like I better pass my neighbor, that small but mighty generator, okay, to power your socket. Okay, if you have money, you can set up a solar system that will power the socket. So if you have a solar system, you don't need to pay for fuel or anything to power the socket. All you need is free energy from the sun to power the socket, and that's it. You can make money. Okay, you may have to pay for a small place to be able to put those sockets and all that, and that is all there is to it. We have so many people who need to charge phones, devices, so it's a great way for you to make money. You may say the money is small, is small, is small, but you know what? It's those little jobs that make an ocean. By the time you add up those trickles, it turns into something big by the end of the day. So you make quick cash daily. Okay, so next is mobile food delivery. You know you don't need to own a fast food, a restaurant before you're in food business. You can act like a middleman between the vendor and the person who needs food. Okay, so here's what you need to do. You have to know the food that is commonly consumed by people in a locality. Like in Akwa Ibom State, people love afang soup, they love afiafere, that's white soup, and pounded yam could be with chicken or goat. They love ekman kuko. So those are cuisines people love in my area. In Igbo land, people love ofen sala. They love other things that are unique to them. Okay, so you need to know these foods and then take pictures. Liaise with owners of restaurants, fast food, take pictures and advertise. Whenever people need food, they reach out to you, you go collect from the cook, from where it is sold, add your own percentage, then go and deliver and make money. It's a good side hustle you can do to get quick cash daily. All right, we have some hotels that do not have kitchen services. You can reach out to those hotels and liaise with them to supply their guests with food. And we have some small places where people stay where they do not have food, they do not cook food. Look for those places and connect with them, so whenever they have guests that need food, they can reach out to you and then you serve those guests. You could start from delivery, and before you know it, you go into cooking and then you make money. Okay, every business started from somewhere. It has started small, and before you knew it, they became big. So it's a great way to make quick money with no stress at all. No stress, you didn't cook. Okay, so next is mobile car wash. We have so many estates where in a compound you see about 5 to 10 cars parked outside, and these people do not have people who wash their cars. So you can reach out to these people in those estates and liaise with them. Tell them you wash their cars for them. You could decide to wash and be paid weekly, daily, or monthly. Okay, you wash cars. Go and meet these people. They are looking for people who offer the services. Some of them think of how they could go out. By the time they get back from work, they are tired. They don't think of how to go to car wash, go and wash their cars and all that. But they know they need clean cars. So if you offer this service to them, they will be very glad. Okay, look for those estates where they have rich people. They like clean, flashy cars. Go and meet them. Okay, my superstars. Or you could also go to their office and pick their cars. You could meet them, discuss, go to their office, pick their cars when they have gone to work, go and wash it and come and return it for them. Some of them have very busy schedules that by the time they get into the office, work. By the time they're done, they are tired, they drive back home. And on weekends, they're tired, go sit in a car wash their car and all that. So offering this service to them from home or from their office is a great way you can make money and solve a problem. Okay, so these are businesses you can do to make money daily. And remember, my superstars, to be able to break it and make it out there, you need to advertise. You need to leverage social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok to advertise. My superstars, advertise. These businesses may look small, but they have ability to grow and then make money from it. Okay, so many people started small, from being a small chops, a small pop buns, meat pie seller. You could meet that person that will give you a contract that will change your life, and from there you grow. From being a small mobile car wash guy, you could make money and then open your car wash and then get people to go meet these people, bring their cars, wash for them professionally and return it, and then you go. So it is a good face and has the ability to grow into something big. All you have to do is put yourself out there, advertise, and get your target audience. There's someone who needs that service one you're giving, and from there you make money. Okay, my superstars, have you liked this video? If you have not, please take a second to give me a thumbs up, like this video. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed, please take a second, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. Is there anything I missed? Please write it in the comment section. And if you have a question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. Thank you for watching, my superstars. I appreciate every one of you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.